Hey there, Licknriffers. How are you doing? I hope you're doing better than me. I've been bedridden for the past 3 days. I'm sick again. I caught this really annoying virus or something. And I decided to make this video about something really important. Your guitar can make a bad day better. Your guitar can help you feel better. It can't heal you, but it can make you feel better. It can raise your spirits. What I like to do whenever I'm under the weather or when I'm down, I remember that one time years ago after a really bad breakup, I just sat down and played the blues for an hour and a half straight. It was something really simple, just slow chord-based blues, no soloing, no nothing. I remember that I just closed my eyes. I just played for, I think, over an hour and a half, and it just cleansed my feelings, and it helped me just get back on my feet again. And when I'm down, when I'm right now, I just have a guitar next to my bed and I just pick it up and I play something really, really slow, really, really simple. Just something like A minor with different bass notes, just A minor with a G bass note, an F sharp bass note, an F bass, and I just improvise. And I just throw everything I'm feeling into what I'm playing. I'm just expressing how awful I feel right now. I'm nauseous and I'm weak, and every time I stand up I'm dizzy. And I just throw all that into the music. I just take a couple of chords and I just play. I'm sure that you're gonna write me, hey, show us what you did right now. But I'm not in a teaching mood right now. I'm in a more of a sick guru mood right now. So I just want to tell you that every time I play my guitar, I just close my eyes. I'm in my bed. I close my eyes and I just play. Just play. And it helps me, forget for a few minutes or half an hour or however long I get swept into the music. It just helps me forget about this awful virus or about that really bad breakup. It just takes me away from the physical reality into the abstract pleasure of music. I always emerge from the other side feeling better than I did when I picked up my guitar. So remember this: your guitar can make your bad days a little bit better, and you can just throw your frustrations and your bad feelings and your sadness into your music. And all I have to say is, don't judge your playing. Don't judge your playing. You're not playing music right now. You're just expressing yourself. You're just throwing whatever you feel into the music. I know that I've repeated myself, but I'm fuzzy. My head is cloudy. I'm not thinking straight. But I didn't want to miss this week, and I didn't want to miss, giving you this advice. All right. Have fun and have a great weekend.